In this video, we're going to see how to create our first project. We go to this button here, Add Project, click it, and write the name of a project. We could name it, for example, Political Analysis. We can add a description, speeches, presentations, and add that. And now we're ready to input our first files. And I have prepared a file here called Trump Quotes. I'll put it ready for upload. And I'm going to just adjust the name. So now we only see Trump quotes and not the reference to it coming from a Microsoft document. I'm also going to rename the library I'm putting it into. So I'll name this Trump material. And when I press upload, we should be done and have our first material inside Wordmaps. And it's here. We can just go out and check. This is now our project called Political Analysis. We open it and we see that inside this folder we have Trump quotes. Thanks for watching. See you back soon.